guys, so 09 Nissan Maxima with the 3.5 engine. No space to work on it for sure. We got a coolant leak right here, something different. So now I'm gonna show the way that I removed the power steering pump. So let me go right here and I'm gonna show you where exactly I did. What I did is I removed my CV axle for sure. That is two bolts, one right there, the other one right there. And I'm gonna do it because it was bad. So I'm gonna do it at the same time, you know, the whole thing was broke. So those two bolts, they 14. So remove those bolts and you're gonna remove the spindle right here with the 21s right here. Lose this bolt and lose the little clip goes in here, which is this one right here. This one right here, just it goes like this. So you just use the flathead and kick this out and should release the line. And then you remove these two bolts, and then so you got enough room to, and then you remove the sway bar link, which is a 16 right here, 16 or 16, 17 right here. So it should release that out, and then you can lay this to this side. I put it back in here just to hold the spindle, just to keep it in place, but you can lend it this way, lend to, you know, lend the whole thing to this way, and then you got access to remove your axle. And then to kick the axle out, you know, to pop the axle out, what I did is I get the bolts, you know, I get the bolts, those bolts out, and then I went over here to under here and get the with the flathead right there. You see right there, and then just pry this thing down, like outer, and then it should pop right out. Now the other thing is with the power steering pump, I'm gonna show you something right here. If you see, there is no brackets right there. So one thing that you need to remove, it's gonna be this bolt right here. Let me show you this one right here. Not right here. This one right here. This bolt right here. You have to remove this bolt, and then you have to remove the bolt goes right here on this bracket. But the only way that you get access to this bolt right here, it's gonna be using the hold on, let me see. Using the long extension. This one and my, okay. So the only way that you can do reach that one is with the long, like 12-inch extension, and this is 17. So what you gotta do is let me show you what I did. I'm gonna do this with one hand, so let me show you what I did. I forgot record that part right there, but what I did, I get on the car, and then I went through the oil, like right here on the oil pan. Let me move this right here. So alright guys, so this is the position that I used to get the bolt behind, right there with the extension, and it's gonna be a 16. Can you see right there? Let me see if I can zoom in. See, go through to the bolt right there. So it's right on. That's one way that I used to get the bolt out. Now let me show you the other one. That bolt and this one right here. This one right here on top. So that's the only two bolts that I removed on that one right there. That one right there. And let me see the other two. It should be two more bolts. So the other two bolts. Okay, so let me show you. So I got this bolt right here, right? I got that one. And these two, they 12. Let me see right here. Yeah, they 13 right here. 13, and this is another 13 right here. And these two. And where to go, it's I don't know if you can see it right here. This is how it goes right there. See, we got 3 bolts. The 2 up there, and then the other one on the side. And on back here is the other bracket where it goes, the other bolt that I showed you with the lock extension and the sway bolt, you know. So it goes right there. To put it back, you just slide this thing back in there. Let me see if I can do it right here. So we just slide this thing back in there. Oh, okay, right there. Let's see. You're just gonna slide this pump in there, you know, move all this stuff out of the way. Well, you know what? I lose this one, this 10 right there, and the other 10 right here on top, because this one it won't let me slide my 13 in there. But if you got a small one, a little teeny 13, 13, so you can make it without remove this bracket out of here. So I got this one loose because it won't let me go through to these bolts right here. So that's what I got it loose. But let me put this. Let me see if I can do it without this on the way. Let me see if you can hold it up there. If you know, we're just gonna leave it for that. So, and then to put the palm back on, so we just have to go in here. Let me see. You just have to go in here and then slide it up in there, you know, this way, and it won't be that hard to. Okay, I can't do it with one hand, I think. Not with one hand, but it should be easy to go like it. Yeah. No, it won't be easy with one hand. So, but this is the way it should go. See right there? That's the way it goes in there. It's already on that part right there with the bolt. You just have to go up there, you know, and then hanging in there. I don't have that much. Do it with one hand, it won't be easy. Let me see if you can record the part right there. But that's the way that this thing goes right there. See, it's already in there. I just have to put the bolts back on, and they should ready to go. And then put the other one, the 14, that 24 right here, you know, what the pressure line goes, and then return line, and then that should be good to go. And then you see the axle back on place and everything. But you don't really, that's the only bolts that you have to remove, the top ones, and the other ones on the side, you know, the one that I show you. So yeah, I hope the video helps, and you know, and save you time and money, you know. And don't forget to subscribe, and any question, leave in the comments. I do my best to respond, you know. And I'll see you next time. Peace.